What's the easiest side hustle you have ever heard of? What if I told you some of these take less time than scrolling TikTok and can actually make you money? Everybody says they don't have time for a side hustle, and honestly, I get it. Most people work full time, come home exhausted, cook dinner, maybe hit the gym if they are motivated, and before they know it, it's bedtime. But here's the thing, not every side hustle needs 2 hours a day. Some take 5 minutes, some take even less. So today I went down a rabbit hole to find the easiest money makers people are actually doing in just a few spare minutes. Let's see if any of them are worth your time. We will start with something almost everyone can do. Look around your house, seriously. That old keyboard, the headphones collecting dust, the coffee machine you haven't touched in a year. Take three photos, write a short description, list it on Facebook Market or another local marketplace. That's maybe 10 minutes of work. Shouldn't it won't make you rich overnight, but turning clutter into cash isn't a bad deal. Number 9, bank sign up bonuses. Banks are consistently trying to attract new customers. Some offer cash bonuses simply for opening an account and meeting a few requirements. Spending 5 minutes every week checking for new promotions could easily earn you far more than many survey websites. Just always read the terms first. Sometimes the bonus sounds amazing until you discover you need to keep 5,000 dollars in the account for 6 months. Number 8, cashback apps. If you are buying groceries anyway, why not get paid a little for it? Apps like Ibotta and Checkout 51 let you activate cashback offers before shopping. The process usually takes just a couple of minutes. You're buying the same groceries. You just remember to tap a few buttons first. Number 7, Upside. This one is for drivers. Before filling up your car, open the Upside app. Check nearby cashback offers, activate one, fuel up. That's basically it. If you drive regularly, those small amounts can slowly add up over the year. Number 6, Brave browser. This one's almost effortless. Instead of using Chrome or another browser, switch to Brave. Enable rewards. Occasionally, you will see privacy friendly ads and you will earn BAT tokens. Will you retire from this? Definitely not. But if you're already browsing on the internet every day, earning something is still better than earning nothing. Number 5, Prolific. If you watched my channel before, you probably knew this one was coming. Prolific is one of my favorite research platforms. Instead of spending hours filling out terrible surveys, you wait for well-paying search studies. Sometimes you will find one that only takes 5 or 10 minutes and pays surprisingly well. I personally had good experiences with it. Number 4 is bandwidth sharing. This one sounds strange. You install apps like Honeygain or Earn app. They use a tiny portion of your unused internet bandwidth, and that's it. Once it's set up, you almost forget it's running. The earnings are slow, but the daily effort is zero. Number 3 is Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft literally rewards you for using Bing. Daily searches, quick quizzes, a couple of clicks, do it while your coffee is brewing in the morning. The points eventually convert into gift cards. It's probably one of the easiest habits on this list. Number 2 is receipt scanning. This is almost ridiculous. Every time you go shopping, scan your receipt. Apps like Fetch Rewards, Coin Out, and Receipt Pal reward you simply for uploading it. It takes maybe a minute, and if you're already shopping every week anyway, why not? And number 1, reading paid emails. The number 1 spot surprised me. Some websites actually pay users to open promotional emails. Open it, check the confirmation link, done. The paper email is tiny, very tiny. But if you're looking for something that literally takes less than a minute, it's hard to beat. So now, before you quit your job because of this list, don't. None of these are going to replace a full-time income. Most won't even replace a part-time income. But that's not really the point. There's tiny opportunities you can fit into moments that would otherwise be wasted. Waiting for your food, standing in line, watching TV, 5 minutes here, 3 minutes there. Over the weeks and months, those little amounts can become something meaningful. Personally, I would skip a few of these and focus on the ones with the highest return for the time invested, especially prolific cashback apps and selling unused items. But I'm curious, what's the easiest way you ever made money online? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy realistic side hustles ideas without fake guru promises, subscribe. I'm testing as many side hustles as I can and sharing the real results, good, bad, and sometimes embarrassingly bad. Thank you for watching. Bye.